8 Healthy Habits for Busy Individuals. Prioritize your well-being. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing essential healthy habits for busy individuals. We understand that maintaining a healthy lifestyle can be challenging when juggling a hectic schedule. However, by prioritizing your well-being and incorporating simple habits into your routine, you can take care of yourself even with a busy lifestyle. Let's dive in. 1. Start your day with a nutritious breakfast. Begin your day with a healthy and filling breakfast. Opt for nutrient-rich options like overnight oats, smoothies, or whole grain toast with avocado. A well-balanced breakfast provides energy and sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. 2. Plan and prep your meals. Time can often be a limiting factor when it comes to preparing meals. Dedicate a few hours each week to plan and prep your meals in advance. This way, you'll have healthy options readily available, reducing the temptation to rely on fast food or unhealthy snacks. 3. Stay hydrated. Maintaining proper hydration is vital for your overall well-being. Keep a water bottle with you at all times and aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. You can also infuse your water with fruits or herbs to add flavor and encourage consumption. 4. Incorporate physical activity. Finding time for exercise can seem impossible, but even short bursts of activity can make a difference. Sneak in exercises like squats, lunges, or jumping jacks during your breaks, or try scheduling quick workouts early in the morning or during lunch breaks. Consistency is key. 5. Practice mindfulness and stress management. High stress levels can have a negative impact on your health. Incorporate mindfulness techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga into your daily routine. Take short breaks to relax and reset, allowing yourself to recharge and manage stress effectively. 6. Get sufficient sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for your overall well-being. Establish a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day. Create a bedtime routine that promotes relaxation, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or listening to calming music. 7. Prioritize self-care. Make time for self-care activities that you enjoy. Whether it's reading a book, taking a long bath, practicing a hobby, or spending time with loved ones, prioritize activities that rejuvenate and nourish your mind, body, and soul. 8. Utilize technology for health tracking. Make use of health tracking apps or wearable devices to monitor your progress. These tools can help you track your activity levels, sleep patterns, and nutrition, providing valuable insights into your overall health and motivating you to stay on track. Remember, incorporating healthy habits into your busy lifestyle is all about making small, consistent changes. By prioritizing your well-being and implementing these tips, you can take better care of yourself, boost your energy levels, and enhance your overall quality of life. We hope you found these healthy habits helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Take care, and we'll see you in the next